Hey, what's going on, guys? Wanted to show you the Benchmade Adamas that I did a video on a long while ago. I've had it fixed for a good while. I broke the bar in the back when I was batoning with it. I fully knew what would happen, and I was not surprised. I just wanted to see where it would break. It's like crashing a car. It happens, but now you know. It's very informational. It would have been cool if I did record it, but yeah, I was just whacking on it like that with the big old stick, and shit happens. So be it. They fixed it up, sent it back to me, and it's still sharp as can be. I love this bad boy. But I also wanted to show my other favorite. This is my 940. If you don't own a 940, you really ought to get one. These are cream of the crop knives. They have the most, I think, the best blade shape for any knife I've ever really felt. It has enough angle on it to where it can still cut through anything it needs to. At this reverse tanto tip, it stabs through anything it needs to. The spine is cut to where it narrows on the back, and so it really is good at penetrating, and the anodizing has worn off a little bit, but not a whole lot. I love a worn knife. It's just like worn shoes, but this lasts a lot longer. But one of my favorites. I hope to have this knife forever. And then this guy. Yeah, the big infidel. Unfortunately, watch this. Yeah, it's been doing this for a while. I have to hit it a few times to get it back in. It shoots out pretty decent, but yeah. I think I have just overused it. When I first got it, I was just doing that way too much, and so I think I overdid it, and then I took it apart. I'm pretty mechanically inclined. I had no issues putting it back together, and I could not find, because it was doing this before, and I really couldn't find why it was doing it, and I got it back together. And it didn't get worse. It got, I mean, it basically stayed the same. It's still just not. It's really, really intricate. I think it's too intricate. I think it's its problem with the infidel. I love it. I love it. I hate to bash on it, but I've had it for a long time now. I can say this. I think it's too intricate. I think the way there's like these, it's like these metal ribs, and they're like flinging out. It's very strange, but I love it. It's sharp, very good, stabby. Get your ass with this. Taking this in a zombie apocalypse. Boy, this is used all the time in The Walking Dead. They do be using this. Carol, she uses it. She kills. It's a good pierce. It'll fuck you up, leave you bleeding. Nice. You can turn that shit in there pretty easy. Has a blood groove. I've been stabbing shit with this a lot. I still love it, honestly. It's fucking cool. This thing is a very novelty item, though. I would not put my life behind. I put my life behind my 940. Because it's dumb proof. Very simple components. And my Adamas. I've broken up fights with my Adamas. Yeah. You deploy an Adamas, if someone testing your shit, you're like, hey, what up? You fucking want this? You want to get worked on tonight? Boy, that's an intimidating sound. I don't really want to mess with a guy that has a big ass knife like this. And so, yeah. Oh. It's pretty solid. Big fan of the Adamas. It's very, very sharp. Still pretty sharp here. Let's see. Let's see. This is like an old instruction manual. It's so thick. Yeah, there we go. It's a really weird item to cut. Yeah, pretty decent. Yeah, this is a shitty item to cut. I need to deburr that edge a little bit. It feels a little off. But anyways, yeah. Check it out up close. It's pretty worn out. Good looking blade. Focus. Alright. Well, that's all I wanted to show you. A lot of people wanted to see this knife again. Boy, some of y'all are getting butthurt in the comments. It's pretty funny. I just don't give a shit. Yeah. It's my knife. I get to take it and treat it how I like. Nothing you can do and say will stop me from treating these knives the way I want to. Alrighty. Get a 940 though. If you're looking for your first Benchmade, get a 940. This green and purple. Look how gorgeous that is. Look at the size difference. Can I get all three? Yeah. How many Benchmades can you hold? Alright, I'm out of here. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.